Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. I got another great on feet that I want y'all to take a look at. But before we get started, I got to give a huge shout out to all the supporters, all the subscribers, and anybody who rock with my channel and support my content. So as always, thank y'all, man. This is my latest pickup that I'm going to show you guys on feet, and that's none other than the Hare 7s. I'm sorry, the Hare 6s, my bad. We got the Hare 6s on feet today. But I was able to grab these early from GOAT, and I'm gonna put my information or like the receipt and all that inside the video, because lately on my early pickups I've been getting a lot of trolls talking about my stuff is fake, and they're clearly not like OG subscribers or anything like that, because if you know me and you know my channel, you know that nothing I do, nothing I have on my channel is fake. I don't support fakes on any level, so I'm gonna put that in there just for the trolls. So you got to be thorough when you're dealing with a lot of these trolls out here. But let's jump into the review, man. We got the box right here, the white box with the carrot on top. This is the box that is going to come in for the men's, and I think the GS sizes are going to get the regular black box. My joint is kind of messed up due to shipping, but it is what it is. I'll also show y'all the quality control sticker. Like I said, man, I gotta be thorough for the trolls. Hopefully my camera's picking that up. And also, before we get started, I know a lot of y'all was rocking with my throwback game. Today we got on the Chris Webber joint. I know y'all seen number 2 and thought John Wall, but it's Chris Webber. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and jump into the video, man. Here are the Hare 6s. All right, so this sneaker is set to release on June 5th, which is in about 2 weeks, depending on when I drop this video. And the box tag, box price, whatever, is gonna be 190 bucks. So if you are interested in picking these up, make sure you get your money ready. Make sure you mark your calendars so you'll be able to grab these on June 5th. I highly recommend that you guys don't sleep on this sneaker. I know a lot of people are saying that they don't think these are gonna do well. They think these are gonna sit on shelves, whatever the case may be. But I highly disagree with that statement. I'm not saying that these are gonna sell out or anything, but I feel like they're gonna do a lot better than what people are expecting. This is really a nice shoe, and hopefully you guys can see that. I'm trying to capture, how nice this shoe is. So don't sleep on these, bro. Don't let people tell you that these are trash and that, they're gonna sit, because they're not. I think this colorway, the Hare 7 colorway, transitioned very, very well onto the Hare 6. And also, I know some people saying that they're not gonna cop because they only like the Hare 7s. We all know that the Hare 7s, that's the original Hare, but this is a nice colorway as well. I don't care what nobody says, bro. It's not better than the Hare 7 by any means, but it's definitely holding its own, you know what I'm saying? So don't let anybody tell you that this colorway is trash, and just don't sleep, because the hype is gonna get bigger and bigger the closer we get to June 5th. The more images, the more videos that people put out, the more people are gonna wanna cop this sneaker. And I can almost guarantee you guys that after you watch my on feet, somebody's mind is gonna change. Somebody's gonna be like, damn, Mac, before I saw your video, I didn't want these, but now it's a must cop. So just don't sleep on these, bro. But I'm gonna try to get into as much details as I possibly can. Y'all know that's not really my forte. I just like to get into the on feet. But since these are an early release pair, I'm gonna try to give y'all, as much of a detailed review as I possibly can. So, starting off with the midsole, the outsole right here. I know a lot of people had questions on, what color is this in person? So in person, it's definitely not a red. So you can get that out your head right now. It's more so of a dark pink. You know what I'm saying? That's the Hare theme. It's a dark pink. It's not really a red, but it doesn't look girly. And a lot of my homies was questioning whether or not this looks like a female sneaker. It doesn't look like a female sneaker at all in person. It's just more of a dark pink, but at the same time it works, and dudes can definitely get away with it, so you don't have to worry about that. Going into the upper, you got nice white leather. The quality on these look amazing. And as I've been saying in my past couple videos, Jordan Brand has been on point with the quality in 2020. Everything that I've purchased has been on point except for my Fire Red 5s. But other than that, I really don't have any complaints about this shoe. So moving on to the Nubuck. It's a soft Nubuck. Again, man, it's good quality. On my pair, it's good quality. I don't know how everybody else's pair is gonna look. But going into the tongue, you got the Hare pattern going all throughout the tongue, which is very, very dope. And I'm wondering if everybody's gonna have a different pattern on their sneaker, kind of like how the Bordeaux were. So once these release, it's gonna be interesting to see if everybody has a different pattern on the tongue. And then finally, you hits of green right there, and then you got a purple Jumpman on the back. And these were a must cop for me because it's a dope sneaker, and also because I don't own the Hare 7s. That's a shoe that's on my list, but I kind of let that slip, you know, past my radar. But I'm definitely gonna go back and pick these up. So that's, you know, kind of factored into why I wanted these, and also because Jordan 6s are my favorite Jordans one of my favorite Jordans of all time. So those two reasons combined made this a must cop for me. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna give you guys one quick look, and then we're gonna head into the on feet portion. I know that's what y'all really want to see. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that. I'm gonna give y'all multiple different looks with multiple different jeans. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, man, so we tapping back in. I just showed y'all what these Hare 6s look like on feet. As always, I gave y'all a clean on feet look with a lot of different jeans, a lot of different looks. So you guys have no excuse as to why you can't leave your feedback and let me know what you think about these Hare 6s that are releasing in a few weeks. I want to know what you think about the sneaker and also what you think about the on feet. Again, man, I think this is a very, very nice shoe. It's a nice summertime spring shoe, nice bright, vibrant color. So these joints drop at the right time. So if you have the money and you are interested, hopefully, my video made you want to cop these. So hopefully, you're able to grab these on release day. I don't think these will be hard to cop at all. So you don't have to worry about them being like super limited or anything like that. Anybody who wants these, should be able to grab these. Now, as far as sizing, I know a lot of people always ask me about sizing and how they fit. And for me, I always tell y'all to go a half size up if you have wide feet. When it comes to Jordan 6s, people have different opinions. Some people say 6s run big. Some people say 6s run small. It just depends on how your feet is made. For me, I got my normal size 12 and they fit perfect. They're not big, they're not snug. So you just have to get your normal size. But if you got wide feet and you have wide feet, make sure you go a half size up. That's really all I can tell you. Let me know which pair of jeans you guys thought this sneaker looked the best with. So for me, I gotta go with the blue jeans, man. Those joints are undefeated so far. They 3 for 3. They just look clean with the blue jeans, bro. Those joints look good with every single pair that I've shown since I started doing that. And I also have to show love to the olive pair. The olive pair surprisingly look really, really dope with these. I thought the olive pair set these off in a way that I didn't think it would look that good. So those are my two pairs, the blue and the olive. Make sure you leave your favorite pair, and it can be more than one. It can be 2, it can be 3. That is pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the sneaker just for detail purposes. I know some of y'all like these little slow-mo 360s of the sneaker, so I'm gonna give y'all one last look. And if I missed anything, man, feel free to ask a question in the comment section. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to subscribe to the channel. Continue to help the channel grow. Give these videos thumbs up. Let's shoot for 200. Matter of fact, I know I said 100. Let's shoot for 200 thumbs up and get this video as much exposure as we can, man. I really do appreciate y'all. Y'all always show love. Y'all always show support. So I can't thank y'all enough. Keep doing what y'all doing, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. So I'm out of here. Make sure y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.